Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 15-inch QLED touchscreen stereo special for Lexus GX460 2010 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here is a very big box, you can check. It's a very big box. And special for Lexus GX460 model. Okay, this is the head unit and special canvas and harness. This is high level, this low level. Okay, let me show the harness it first. Okay, this is high level. Special for high level. This is video switch box. Output video out. Okay. And this higher level for Lexus cable. You can check this main power and the speaker. Okay, and this connector, and this camera supports the factory camera, and this radio antenna. This connects our back for head unit. Okay, this is high level, and this for amplifier, factory amplifier line cable. Okay. And the head unit already built in the canvas decoder box. This is low level. You can check this radio antenna. This connects our back head unit. Connectors. Okay. And this GPS antenna. This Wi-Fi antenna. This is 4G antenna, you can check. And this original USB. There are 2 USB cables. This airbag adapter. And this AUX input left and right. And this is audio line out, audio out. This subwoofer out, you can check. Subwoofer out. And this amplifier 12 voltage. And those audio out left and right, front, rear, RC type. Okay, this amplifier, this subwoofer. And this audio cable, also audio cable, this camera, back camera, input, this power camera, this back control amplifier, this back control wire, this video input. This is also video input, AUX input, this left and the right. Okay. Okay, let me show the head unit. Okay, you can check this back of head unit, and this wiring diagram. And this back of head unit, you can check the Wi-Fi antenna, this GPS, this audio cables, this factory plug, power fuse. Okay. Let me connect to the power. The head unit will be start up. Find something to fit. a very big screen. Okay, let me just okay, this is the head unit front panel. Okay, and you can check very big screen. This 15-inch screen, and let me check the head unit. This AC information. This back, this volume. You can change the volume. This AC front control, and when you connect the AC plug, it will show the AC information built in the microphone. Okay, this is the home screen built in the Google navigation maps with this radio and music. And the video. This car auto for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth. And this is streaming music from your phone. And this is console settings. Car settings. This factory settings. This amplify information and the other car information. Okay. All is here and built in the Play Store. You can download the applications from it. This DSP amplifier. Okay, and other informations are here built in Play Store, Google Maps and information. This factory settings, this general settings, this and day and night mode. Okay, and radio region, you can choose North American or other regions. Audio, video system. It's Android settings. Let me check the Android 11 system. Okay. Built in the Wi-Fi. Okay. And it's Android settings. Okay, that's all. Thank you.